Health benefits of basil essential oil. Today, basil essential oil is frequently utilized to improve the flavor of numerous dishes. Its applications, however, go well beyond the kitchen. For generations, basil essential oil has been utilized to cure a variety of health issues. 1. Potent antibacterial. Basil oil may be used in the house to eliminate bacteria from kitchens and bathrooms, to avoid surface contamination, and to filter the air. Use basil oil to clean surfaces in your house by diffusing it or mixing it with water in a spray bottle. The spray may also be used to clean vegetables. 2. Cold and flu treatment. Both the common cold and the flu are caused by viruses, and basil oil has been found to be a natural antiviral. It may come as a surprise that basil oil may be used as a natural cold cure. If you're feeling under the weather, diffuse the oil throughout your house, adding 1 to 2 drops to a steam bath, or making a DIY vapor rub with eucalyptus and basil oil that may be rubbed into the chest to open up your nasal passages. 3. Natural odor eliminator and cleaner. Basil's antibacterial and antifungal characteristics enable it to remove odor-causing bacteria and fungi from your home, automobile, appliances, and furnishings. Run a few drops through your kitchen appliances, mix it with baking soda to remove stains and bacteria from pots and pans, or spray it inside your toilet, shower, and garbage cans. 4. Muscle relaxant. Basil oil helps relieve sore muscles due to its anti-inflammatory qualities. Basil essential oil, combined with coconut oil, can be rubbed into aching, swollen muscles or joints as a natural muscle relaxant. 5. Ear infection. Basil oil is occasionally used to treat ear infections naturally. Rubbing a few drops of antibacterial basil oil diluted in a carrier oil such as coconut or almond oil behind the ears and on the soles of the feet will help speed up the recovery process while also lowering discomfort and swelling. 6. Insect repellent. Basil's volatile oils, like those found in other essential oils like citronella and thyme, have been demonstrated to repel mosquitoes and prevent insect bites. Dilute 2 to 3 drops of basil essential oils with carrier oil and massage into skin or sore bites as needed to produce a DIY insect spray or lotion. 7. Digestive booster. Basil essential oil is well known for its ability to aid digestion and relieve constipation naturally. Pure basil oil can be consumed by mixing 1 to 2 drops in warm water or tea, or inhaled and massaged directly into uncomfortable regions like the belly and lower back. 8. Stress fighter. Basil oil is uplifting and revitalizing, making it beneficial for reducing anxiety, fear, and uneasiness sensations. You may diffuse basil oil at home to calm and unwind, since it has been used for aromatherapy for ages to assist people deal with racing thoughts and overwhelming sensations. To relieve tension, massage 1 or 2 drops with the carrier oil into your feet or over your adrenals every night. 9. Hair booster. Add a drop or 2 of basil oil to your shampoo to remove extra grease or build-up while adding shine to your hair. You can also use it with baking soda and apple cider vinegar to naturally balance the pH of your scalp while eliminating oil and debris. Always keep in mind that basil oil, like other essential oils, is quite strong, so a small amount goes a long way. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.